my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. My name is Lindsay. If you're not familiar with me, I post videos every week, and today we are doing a haul. So I have a whole bunch of things that I ordered from Shop Miss A. You guys, I am so excited about this. Like, I went to bed, like, just can't wait to wake up so that I can film this video with you guys, because I really want to dig into these and see. I don't even remember like everything that I bought. Shop Miss A, if you guys don't know, is like a really cheap makeup brand store, not brand. Well, they have their own brand. They're a makeup store that has really cheap makeup. Almost all of their products are only $1. They do have products that are a little bit more than that if you want to buy like the nicer, cheaper stuff, I guess. So I do have some of those. I have a mixture. I have a lot of $1 makeup, but I also have a mixture of the other stuff. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to be doing another video where I try everything on, because this is actually not everything I ordered. I'm actually waiting on the rest of my order to come, because I realized after I ordered this one that I forgot a few things for a full face. Like, I didn't get like concealer, I think, and like one or two other things. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, all of that. That will be coming probably this month, because guess what, you guys? I'm now locked down in Italy. We can't do anything. We can't leave our house. Like, we literally cannot leave our house unless we have a document stating that we are authorized to travel for like specific things like work, going grocery shopping, or if it's like an emergency to the hospital. That's it. Like, I literally have to stay in my house. It's insane. But here I am. I'm excited that we can still at least get mail, so I can share these things with you guys, you know, and it keeps me occupied. I'm so thankful for YouTube, because I can't imagine like being stuck at home and not being able to, like, I don't know. There's a lot of people who can't work right now because their jobs aren't like essential, so it's crazy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. So the first thing that we have in here is this. This is the Paw Wonder Blender. This is $1.55. They do have $1 sponges on there too, but everyone says this is the best one. The super soft one is the best one, this pink one, and it's like really comparable to Beauty Blender. I actually got so excited about getting this that on my second order, I ordered the pack that comes with like 6 of these. So that way I have like a bunch of Beauty Blenders, because Beauty Blenders are, you know, the actual Beauty Blenders are so expensive. So I'm really excited to have something that's comparable for a cheaper price. Wow, this feels really good. This feels so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. And then the next thing I got, this is kind of unnecessary. Well, it's pretty unnecessary. I don't know why I bought this. Actually, I do. Let me explain. So this is the Whirly blender holder. So it's one of those holders that goes on like your vanity or whatever, and you can put your beauty blender in there. And you know what? The reason why I actually got this is because when I freelance makeup, I do oftentimes like to use sponges on my clients for a more natural look. It never fails that I drop it on the floor, and then I'm just like, ugh, I'm so annoyed, because like when I drop it on the floor, then I have to use a new one. Well, I don't know if you have to, but I use a new one because I don't want to, like, even if I was to wash it in the sink, it's just, I don't know, it's weird. So I always use a new one. So I'm hoping that this little guy I can put in my makeup kit, and I can take this with me, so when I put the sponge down for a second, like, it won't roll off and fall over, and then I have to, you know, grab a new one. I always bring extras, so like I'm always prepared, but it's still really annoying. It's so squishy. I also want to add that Shop Miss A did an incredible job at packaging this. Whenever I get boxes in the mail, I am always scared that something is gonna break, because it's traveling all the way from the States here to Italy, and it goes through a lot of different hands and people, so I'm always scared that like something's gonna get broken. They did so good at wrapping this stuff. I mean, it's not the most environmentally friendly, I will admit that, but like, look at this. Even this little eyeshadow palette, I think it's an eyeshadow palette, is like wrapped up in like foamy stuff. Ooh, whoa, this is such weird packaging. Is it supposed to be like that? So here's a little eyeshadow palette. Can you guys see? It's got like this like weird hump right here. That is so strange. I don't know what's up with that, but look at that. Oh my god, these look so good. Wow, these are so vibrant, and they are really soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this yellow, you you guys. That is pretty good if you ask me. Look at that. These are really good so far. Look at that yellow, that like highlighter yellow. Oh my gosh. And the purple in the center, incredible. This blue and pink one, not so sure about it, but for $1, oh my god. And they had a bunch of different variations and colors that are like really bright like this, so I'm really excited about that. Guess what I forgot to do? Turn the lights on. I think I went a little overboard on the eyeshadow, but I was just so excited. There were so many good options. Okay, the next little eyeshadow thing that I got, this is by Santee, and this is like a pretty little mauve brown kind of natural little quad. It's got a black in there and it's got a nice little shimmer. I hope the mattes are good in that. We will see. See, this is what I'm saying. Like, look how well wrapped this was. This is a AOA Studio Wonder Baked eyeshadow. This is the shade Poetic. Ooh, looks like this. There it is right there. I mean, it's okay. This is another AOA Studio product. This is the Lumi Radiant Blush. I think the AOA is the Shop Miss in-house brand, because they sell a bunch of different brands, but I'm pretty sure the AOA is like their brand. So this is a big blush. Whoa, this feels really good. Got like a really nice like glowy look to it. It's really pretty. It's got like a marbled pink and like peachy look to it. And it's like really glowy. It's got like a really like a goldish glow. Pretty. And then we have the LA Colors matte eyeshadow. It's a little quad here and it's got just some really natural colors in it. LA Colors, I'm not really sure. I haven't used them in so long. Like, I know like they are like a really cheap makeup brand that have been around for like ever, but it's been a long time since I've tried them and this is really hard to open. I don't know, I just really like the little shade range because these are like super basic shadows that I feel like you need. It's like even like traveling, you know, like it's got a nice base shade for my skin tone and then it has like two transitions and a deeper shade. I just really like that it's like a small little convenient, the shades that you need kind of thing. Here's what they look like. They feel really nice, but they don't really swatch the best. The brown one is like the only one that's showing up. Maybe it performs differently on the eyes. We'll have to see. What's next? What's next? Here's another AOA Studios Wonder Baked Blush. Oh, I remember seeing this swatched on the website and it looked really pretty. It's like white, but it has gold. And I really hope that it lives up to the swatches on the website because it looked really nice. Ooh, yes, it does. Okay, I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but wow, that is so pretty. Oh my God, that would look so cool as a highlighter as well. I love that. That is the shade Cream, if you guys are interested. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I went ahead and grabbed some eyelashes. I got 3 different ones. I got, I think these are all the AOA Studio, but these ones are like the $1 ones, and then these ones in this box are the premium lashes. These Paw Paw 3D Faux Mink lashes are $1.55 each, which is still incredible. And you know what, guys? They look really good. For that price, oh my, wow. They look really wispy, really black. I'm really excited to try these. Now these ones, the $1 ones, these look really similar to like Ardell Demi Wispies. So it's got like a clear lash band. They look all right. They're not like the best, but on the eyes, these kinds of lashes, they look really good. And for $1 freaking dollar, you can't beat it. Lots more makeup to get into, but I have a couple of tools. So I bought this AOA Studio F19 brush. This is a highlighting brush. Ooh, it feels really nice. That would make a really good highlighter brush. It's really soft, really nice. I really like this. I think I'm gonna really enjoy this. And then they have so many different tools like this on the website, but these really caught my attention. These are the Shadow Armor Eyeshadow Fallout Patches by AOA Studio, $1. So these are shadow shields. You stick it like under your eye, so when you do your eyeshadow, it catches all the fallout for $1. So excited. There's 14 in here, so basically that's like 7 applications because you got 2 eyes. We got some really fun stuff now. I bought 4 of these eyeshadow palettes. These are empty eyeshadow palettes. I actually went ahead and stuck some of my ColourPop shadows in one of them. And these are they're magnetic and you can fit 9 individual standard size eyeshadows and it has a mirror. What? For $1. $1, you guys. That's why I got 4 of them, because first of all, this size is so perfect for like traveling or for like making my own little 9-pan eyeshadow palettes. I love like the bigger ones, but to be honest, 9 is like so perfect to be able to customize your own. And so I just grabbed 4 of them. These are never gonna go bad or anything, so I'm really... That was my hair straightener. They have cute little designs. There was other designs. I wanted to get like different designs, but they were like sold out, so that was kind of a bummer, but I was happy to get any of them, to be honest. Okay, the next thing in here is the AOA Studio Velvet Highlighter. Ooh, it looks so pretty. It's kind of small. Like when I first opened this, I was like, is that an eyeshadow? But it says it's a highlighter. Of course, you can use it however you want. You can use it as an eyeshadow. Whoa! Oh my God. This is so creamy. So creamy. Wow, you guys. Oh my God. Look at that. It's this one over here. It's like peachy. Oh my God, you guys, this feels incredible. It feels like a cream. Is this a cream? Yeah, it's called a Velour Mousse Highlighter, $1, and the shade is For You. Oh my God, you guys. Things that these brands can do these days for like cheap is mind-blowing. We have this pack right here. It's got a bunch of goodies in it. This is what I'm talking about, like the fact that they put all this stuff in here so it wasn't bouncing around in the box. So thankful. Now, to go along with individual eyeshadow palettes, they have single eyeshadows for $1 each. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these and place these in one of the palettes, and then we'll do a little swatching. While I'm opening some of these, I did want to mention, because I just saw the little symbol on the back, that everything on the Shop Missy website is cruelty-free. That is incredible. So come on, brands, what are you doing? If this brand can do this, why can't these bougie ass expensive brands do it too? I really don't get it. Okay guys, so here are all of the shades that I chose. I could have swore I chose a black, but I may have went with the dark brown over a black. These two shades definitely look really similar. I kind of wish I would have not gotten one of these, but it is what it is. They're only $1. You guys, look at these. These are so pigmented, so smooth, so buttery, almost wet feeling. Not a cream, like these are shadows, but it almost has like this, they're just so smooth feeling. Like it feels so good. Nothing like I would expect a $1 eyeshadow to feel. I expected these to feel like really dry and like totally have no pigment, but these are incredible. I highly suggest getting these. I mean, I don't know how they perform in the eyes. Maybe wait till I try them on in my next video, but just from touching them, I'm like so impressed, and I kind of wish I would have got more. I will say that their color range on their website, it's not quite there. I really hope that they come out with more shades, because I will definitely buy more. And then you can like customize with these little, oh my God. Yes. I got an eyeshadow primer. This is the Perfect Eyeshadow Primer by AOA Studio in the shade Nude. So it's a tinted eyeshadow primer. Y'all know, if you've been around, I'm all about tinted eyeshadow primers. You know, cover up all the veins and everything. It's great. It's so great. I hope that this like works out well, because that eyeshadow primer potion can, I just broke it. It's fine, everything's fine. It's not too bad. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this. It's literally a primer, but just for like the tinted purposes, it kind of blends out and doesn't look very tinted. So I could use a little bit more tint in there. Regardless, I'm really excited to try this as a primer. Eyeliners. So I got this AOA Studio Scarlet Liquid Eyeliner. These look just like the Wet n Wild eyeliners. It wouldn't be that surprising if they got the same packaging from like the same supplier as Wet n Wild. These little things are so hard to open. Hello? This looked really pretty on the website, but now seeing it in person, I'm kind of like, I don't know why I chose that. Like, please be impressive. I mean, it's okay. Kind of pretty. Kind of sure, a little bit sure, you know. We'll have to see how it does on the eyes. But these I'm really excited about. These are liners, like pencil liners, and these are like neon. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these. I didn't even know they came with like a little sharpener at the top. These are by Santee. They have a lot of that Santee brand on the website. I'm happy these are wrapped, but I also hate that they're wrapped. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is like a pastel blue. I feel like they look really neon on camera, which is great. The fact that this stuff isn't bad for the price is like really good. And then I got an eyebrow tint. This is the Go Brow Fiber Gel by AOA Studio. I got the shade dark brown. And I got a matte foundation. Look at this packaging. It's got a little cheetah print on it, and that is literally why I bought it. This is by Amuse Cosmetics. Actually, I really got this because they didn't have my shade in anything else. I'm very, very fair, and like that is one thing that like the complexion products on the website are kind of like, I don't know about this. I don't know about it. The swatches, like the coloring of the swatches of the complexion products look pretty bad. I'm really interested to see how this works. The shade looks really good for me. Ooh, it's thick. Oh girl, that's thick. Ooh girl, it real thick. The last thing we have are lip products. So, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. First, I have these two Amuse Cosmetics lipsticks. And these look real cheap, real cheap. Both of these are kind of a little smashed. I don't know why, but the little point of them are a little bit smashed. Can you see? They're a little bit smashed. These are really pretty colors. They look matte as hell. That feels just like children's makeup. I mean, they're pretty colors and they are showing up, but they're definitely not the most pigmented. I think this coral like orangey shade is swatched better, but both of them are not the greatest. The pink one is called Pink Velvet and the orangey one is called Sunset. The packaging, it also feels very cheap, just plastic. But then I also have some like lip gloss products that I'm really excited about. I have this lip gloss. It is the Fruity Pop flavored gloss, so it's a clear gloss, and I got the peach one. If you guys know me, you know I love a good peach scent, so let's pray this doesn't taste fake. Did I say taste? Because I'm not gonna be eating this. I meant smell. Don't lie to your audience, Lindsay. You be licking your lips. But where's the peach? I don't really smell it. Should I put some on? I literally don't smell or taste any peach at all. So this is a clear gloss. And then we have the Diamond Lip Gloss. This is the shade Girl Power. Oh my god, you guys, on the website, these looked so pretty. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Please don't disappoint me. Oh, do you guys, can it please, camera, please tell me you are doing this justice, because this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I really hope that the camera is like showing this. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's put some of this on too. Wow. Do you guys see the like holographicness of it? Oh my god, that is so pretty. I love that. All right guys, last thing I have here, this was a lot of stuff. I can't believe I have more coming. This is crazy. This is the Lip Tattoo Cocktail Magic by Santee Peel Off Lip Gloss. I got the orange one. I mean, it's orange, so I got the orange one. And this is a tinted peel off lip color. So you're supposed to put it on your lips and let it dry, and then you peel it off and it leaves a tint. I'm so excited to see how that goes. It's not a new concept. Like I feel like that whole like thing went around on YouTube like a few years back. People were like using these, but I never got around to doing it. So excited to try it out. All right, you guys, that's everything that I got. Wow, this video was so long, but there were so many products to share with you guys. I cannot wait to put these on the freaking face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you're not already, I'd appreciate if you considered subscribing, maybe even hit the notification bell if you really liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. When you make a cup of tea and then you haven't drank it at all and now it's cold. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna get microwaved.